Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Shark Matrix Robot Vacuum. So I've got it all set up, connected to the Wi-Fi. I've got it connected to the app. With the app, it can create a map of your house. You're going to do a mapping run first. Once it's got a map, you can give it different rooms, and then you can tell it to clean different rooms or the whole house. So here we have this docking station. So the robot vacuum is going to go around, clean up your house, and then it's going to dock itself, and then this unit's going to kick on a vacuum and suck everything out of here. There's a chamber on the back here. Everything's going to go into this. Everything's going to go back into this chamber right here. And then once this chamber fills up, it's going to back up to this right here, and then it all gets sucked out right this little area right here. Because we got to keep picking up Miss Fiona's hair all over. So then you're going to go empty out this container once in a while. Push that little button, everything will come out the bottom. So let's flip it over in the bottom. There's the brush roller. This is where you're going to do the suction. We've got the drive wheels, and we've got a brush that's going to turn. We've got edge sensors, and we still have the bumper. Now up here, this is where it's going to get the LiDAR navigation. This is where it's going to map your house. So I do have two buttons on here. I can just press this to have it go clean. It'll clean my whole house. And then I can have it pause it or have it return to dock there. But let's use the app. I'm going to clean a certain room. Let's just clean the den. And deselect the kitchen. So now it's only going to clean the den, and I'm going to do matrix clean. It'll tell me it'll take 20 minutes. It says it's communicating. So now it undocks itself and it's going to go to that room. Okay, so here it is in that room that I selected. It's going to go around and do all of the edges first, and then it'll start the matrix clean. I do have some obstacles set up here. We're going to see if it avoids. Okay, so it's been around the entire edge of the room. Now it's going to do the matrix clean where it goes back and forth and makes the nice lines. So it did sense that, and it's going to go around it. That's because it's taller. If something's low to the ground, it may not sense it. All right, so it did not sense that fake dog poop. And that was actually pretty tall. Yep. So the vacuum cleaner does do a good job of picking up dirt hair and dirt off of the carpet. But in order for it to avoid an obstacle, it does have to be up tall enough so that that can sense it. That's the LiDAR navigation. If something is too low to the ground, it's not going to sense it. Oops. Well, it tried to avoid it. Okay, so when it's all done, it's going to go back and dock itself. So it spins in front of it, and then it's going to back up to it slowly. There, that one did a good dock. It's going to charge it now, and it's going to turn on that vacuum cleaner to empty out whatever's inside. Okay, so simply just press, there's a little release button back here. You're going to press that release button, grab this, take it over to your trash can, press the release button here, and everything's going to come out. We can see it did a good job. Put this back, and then here's everything it got. It does get a lot of dog hair, so that actually does do a really good job of cleaning. Now, once in a while up here, there is a filter. You do have to take this filter out and clean it once in a while. And down here, there is another filter, a foam filter that you have to clean once in a while. Okay, so this actually does do a really good job of vacuuming. You can see it does a good job vacuuming. It's not going to, if there's dog poop on the floor, it's going to run it over. It has to be pretty tall in order for it to avoid it. Now, there's about 3 things why I don't like this vacuum cleaner. The first and foremost is this right here. This, I have no idea why they did this, but this This typically is a reusable filter or something you can take out. You cannot remove this filter. And as you can see, this filter gets really dirty and you can blow it out. It's permanently mounted to this. I don't know why they did that. That is normally a filter that you slide in and out right there. I cannot figure that out for the life of me. Now the second thing, this thing was making a racket. I don't like, now I know it has something to do with the roller when it's turning. It's kind of like sounding like, it shouldn't sound that bad. I know sharks have that kind of rattle to them when they move and are vacuuming, but it sounds almost like it's causing extra effort or something. I don't like that. Up here, this filter is pretty standard on shark vacuums. You are gonna have to rinse that out. That gets really dirty. That's pretty standard. This one, this is not a HEPA filter anymore. It's a simple sponge. I don't know why they changed that. That has always been a HEPA filter there in their previous models, and they really changed it a lot. I don't know why they would do that. That seems like that should just always be a HEPA filter. Now the next thing is the Shark app. I think there's better apps out there with different robot vacuums. This one is pretty basic. It doesn't show you where the robot is, like when it's vacuuming. It doesn't show you if it had an obstacle or something happened. It pretty much just gets the basic features done, and it does a decent job of mapping your house. It seems like the Shark app it's been this way. They haven't done too many improvements to it over the last 3 or 4 years. And they seem to be doing a play on this matrix. I mean, their older vacuums, the AI did the same thing. It made lines. It went back and forth, and you could do ultra clean. But they're really playing on this matrix word now. And I've got the older Shark that looks identical to this, and I was hoping that there would be a lot different, but actually there's a lot, it's worse than the older one. So this is kind of an entry level where it maps your house. You can create rooms, clean certain rooms. It doesn't just use the basic bumper feature and bump off the walls. It actually maps your house and does do that. So underneath the video, if you could give it a thumbs up, I really appreciate it. If there's another robot vacuum you'd like to see me review or compare this one with, leave it in the comments down below. Again, really appreciate everybody's support. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.